7 infiltrators have been killed in the Samba sector. Give us the latest that you're hearing.
Well, and the Indian Army is giving every proof of the Pakistani troops being involved in the infiltration by terrorists as well. It is now the update which is coming in from the Border Security Force, and the visuals have also been released by the Border Security Force that at least 7 terrorists had been neutralized, and it was in the Samba sector when an infiltration attempt was made by a big group of terrorists and has been tried, which was detected by surveillance grid. It was stated by the Border Security Force officially that the fire cover was given by the Pakistani troops at the time when these infiltrators was supposed to enter the Indian territory, and it was the surveillance grid which detected them and neutralized at least 7 terrorists and caused extreme and extensive damage to the Pak post the Dhandar. The clip of destructions of the BMG bunker Dhandar is enclosed as being stated by the Border Security Force. On those visuals that we can clearly see how the Border Security Force have neutralized these terrorists. The sources in the Border Security Force also stating that these terrorist camps that were situated in that particular region was being supported by the terrorist organization Lashkar-e-Toiba, and it is these 7 terrorists which were trying to infiltrate in the Indian territory. The surveillance grid had detected them, and the infiltration bid was supported by the fire from Pak troops. That's a big claim by the Indian Army that has also been made. The Border Security Force was on alert mode. At that point of time, the Pakistani troops was giving them support. They were firing on the Indian post, and on the other side, these terrorists were trying to infiltrate into Indian territory, and they were detected by the BSF. 7 terrorists were neutralized on the intervening night of 8th and 9th May.
Right, and Aishwarya, you know, we're seeing those visuals that have been shared by the Army, by the BSF, and this is so important to tell our viewers because this is exactly what India has been saying, that we are not the aggressors, it's these terrorists, and over years, over decades, we've seen terrorists being pushed in through our borders from Pakistan by the Army there, and, you know, to create, trouble here and the terror acts such as what we saw happen in Pahalgam, and that is the reason for Operation Sindoor, where we've attacked the terror bases. We have targeted the terror bases in Pakistan, and you know these sort of visuals and this video evidence is so important in, you know, as India is telling the world as well that we are not the aggressors. It is us defending our borders, defending ourselves in the face of this constant aggression, this, you know, bleeding by 1,000 cuts that Pakistan wants to inflict on us.
Well, giving the world the proofs of Pakistan-sponsored terror. It is Pakistani establishment which is providing safe shelters to the terrorists out in Pakistan. And while this video emerges, it was Pakistani troops at a very same time on the intervening night of 8th and 9th May. They were giving cover fire as far as the Indian bunkers are concerned, the Indian military posts are concerned, and at the same time it was these terrorists who were trying to infiltrate. Remember that press conference done by the Foreign Secretary of India, the first press conference in the starting. The video was shown to the world, to the Indian media, to the people out there in Pakistan as well, that it is the Pakistan-sponsored terror which had hit Indian citizens just not once, twice, but at multiple occasions, be it the Pathankot attack, be it the Mumbai terror attacks, be it the Uri attack. It is, of course, these terrorists which are hiding and have a safe haven in Pakistan. They were there, and the proofs are out in open. It was yesterday as well stated by Mr. Misri that Osama bin Laden was in Pakistan. He had been given safe shelter. Everyone knows that. And now Indian army is giving every possible proof. The Operation Sindoor that was conducted, the proofs were given that there were these terrorist infrastructures that the Indian army had destroyed. Yesterday as well, there were proofs that were given by the Indian army, and now BSF has also released the proof that how the Indian establishment, the Indian posts were attacked by the Pakistani troops. On the the Pakistani troops were trying to infiltrate. So no one can question the integrity, the attack that Indian army is doing. It is just on the terrorist infrastructures, the terrorist base camps, and now one of the base camp, the Dhandar post in Pakistan that was neutralized, and also 7 terrorists that were trying to enter into India at the same point of time when there are artillery fires that are coming, ceasefire violations being happening from the Pakistani side, and it was the BSF who detected these at that very point of time when these infiltrators wanted to enter the Indian territory. But BSF was very vigilant at that point of time, and they detected them, neutralized them. That's a big victory as far as the Indian armed forces are concerned as well.